What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kasey, and I'm back again with another video. And this one is about self-care, but not only self-care, but affordable self-care. Because in 2025, we're being mindful of our budget because we have some stuff to do. And so I just want to continue to talk about self-care and what it's like to do that on a budget, especially for my busy babes. So, which is like me, obviously. So I want to give you guys like some quick self-care tips. And I'm gonna be honest, I used to spend a lot more on self-care. And I will say that one day I will go back to doing that just because I do feel like investing in massages, investing in actual spa days works for me and I enjoy that. But I understand that that's just not my season right now. And so how else are we going to give ourselves the nice spa day that we need to continue to grow mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically, all the things, because we have to continue to pour into ourselves. So there are a couple things that I have decided to do. I have decided to create a self-care menu so that every day I can find little things that I can do to pamper on myself during the day, even if I only have 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, an hour long to do these things. I have different things that I can choose from without like thinking about it, and I keep those things stocked in my apartment. For me, I love a good devotional time. For me, that's time for me to kind of like start to relax and wind down. So of course you have your Bible app that's free. YouTube University is free. But if you have time, like I really enjoy a good prayer walk or like a meditation, like a true Christian meditation. But for me, a good prayer walk is so, oh my gosh, it's chef's kiss, especially in the morning. If you can get out there. For me personally, whenever I'm on the way to the gym, if it's too cold, like outside, I do still walk to my apartment gym because I don't want to move my car to just go like right up the road. So I'll like grin and bear the cold weather just so I don't have to move my car. I know that that's just like whatever, but I don't like to do it. So I will use that time to be with the Lord or call my parents or anything like that. But it's just getting outside in the sun. It's getting some fresh air because it's one of the few times I'm actually going to feel the wind. So I definitely do that. It's free, it's easy, and it's just a good way to stay grounded in whatever you're doing. And relieve some stress. Now, I know here recently, you guys haven't been as sleep on the Dollar Tree. If you're on the right side of TikTok, you can find some really good stuff at Dollar Tree. They also have the it's like where you spend more than $1, but it's like really good stuff. Be sure to pick up some items for self-care because they have plenty of stuff. All you need, Epsom salt, some face mask. And I know if you have sensitive skin, then maybe you need to stay away from it. For me personally, oh my freaking gosh. Can I please stop messing with my freaking face? Okay, so on to affordable body care. Like if you want to spend some extra time and maybe have that at-home spa experience, then let me just point you over to the Dollar Tree TikTok because they will show you everything you need from the Dollar Tree. And I would just suggest finding the better Dollar Tree in your city because not all Dollar Trees are made equal. There are definitely some better Dollar Trees than others. Preferably, I like the one where they have the stuff that goes up to like $5, $10. I like that one because it seems like they have a lot more items on the dollar side that are what I want. Now, if you have sensitive skin, then maybe the Dollar Tree is not for you either. Me, I have very normal skin. I don't really have to do too much. You see what I'm saying? That's just me. So when I go and buy some Epsom salt from Dollar Tree, or if I buy a face mask from Dollar Tree, if I do, then I don't really have to worry about like my face breaking out. But if you do, then you may want to stay away. I don't know. But I know that we're boycotting Target right now. So maybe you can try a Ulta, and get some face masks from them. Personally, that's where I like to go because Ulta also has some great press-on nails, which is where I get my nails from as well. So it's just easier and convenient for me to stock up on my nails, get everything I need for like my skincare and stuff like that, and it still be on the cheaper side. It's cheaper than Sephora in my opinion, and Sephora doesn't really have press-on nails, whereas Ulta does. Anywho, so that's like how I create my own at-home spa vibes. And I'm gonna be honest, I dedicate like either a Sunday evening or a Saturday evening to do my spa care. And I do not want that to get confused with doing my hair. Like washing my hair is a chore. It's really not a spa at home. You see what I'm saying? Like, so that's different for me. Also, affordable body care is going to the gym. There will never be anything more relaxing to me than going to the gym. I love the gym. So if honestly, in 2025, there's no reason why you're not going to the gym. Like there's no amount of money that I don't know, like a gym membership is $9.95 at Planet Fitness. Your apartment complex more than likely has a gym. So just utilize the equipment that you have there and tailor your workouts to that. Like you don't have to do everything that's on the internet if you don't have those equipments. And you don't need to go out and spend hundreds of dollars on a gym membership if that's just not your thing. If you're just getting into the vibe of working out, I wouldn't even suggest spending a whole lot of money on the gym because you're not going to go to the gym like that. You need to build up the habit first of going to the gym. Even if that's like at home workouts, and I'll link her below. There is this lady who teaches a YMCA class in Nashville. And when I can't go to her class, I will watch her classes on YouTube. And so I'll like participate and do the dance blast class from home. And I'll be texting her like, ma'am, when was the last time you uploaded? Because I know you have some new material. So upload them so I can, keep getting my workout on. Honestly, for me too, a good like self-care thing is kind of being more aesthetically pleasing. I don't know why, but like eating healthy is very like aesthetically pleasing and it makes me feel really good. Like last night I came home and after work and I was hungry and old me would have popped some popcorn like on the stove and got a glass of wine. But I chopped up some fruit and I did have it with some peanut butter. But that's better than like the wine. So, hey, I mean, to each their own, but being healthy is definitely quality, affordable self-care. And one place you can also do that too is by going to Aldi. Aldi is my spot, okay? They have good produce. Now, I will say you do have to eat your produce faster than you would think because it will spoil. I don't know what it is, but whenever I go to the store, I don't like load up on a whole bunch of fruits. Their vegetables tend to last more than their fruits do, but if you're gonna eat their fruits, then you're gonna have to like commit to eating them within the next 2-3 days, personally. Okay, another thing for affordable healthcare practices that I do is declutter your space. It's nothing worse than a cluttered space. And even if like whoever comes to visit can't see it, it's like something about you that you can just feel it. Like my closet was cluttered and it was like I still had space, I could still see everything, but it was like just a little like out of place. So this weekend I organized everything and I made it smell nice in there, sprayed my Febreze, color coded everything, which I really didn't do that just like for the aesthetic. It just kind of happened that way. I just always put all my whites together, all my pinks together. That's just how I am. So there's that. But I definitely reorganized my closets, reorganized my my space like that so that it does like take things out of my mind of like, oof. I don't know what it is. I also did a digital detox and I went through my iCloud and started deleting phone numbers that I don't use anymore. And so I have like 500 like contacts and I'm like, I know that I don't like use this. I also changed the way it was appearing in my contact list. I don't know what about like when I have nicknames for people, sometimes like I don't know how to explain it. I just like seeing the aesthetically pleasing first name, last name in my contact list. So I did that. I deleted and organized a couple of things on my iPad, on my phone. And so I do also have an external hard drive where I put all my documents and stuff on there. And so I need to get another one of those so that I can continue to kind of keep things in the correct place. Okay. So so I have these things like my menu, my self-care menu. I have joy triggers, and it's like small bursts of happiness. Like I really want to make sure that I'm laughing and smiling and having a good time. And so one of my joy triggers is just having a dance party. I know that that sounds like super like childish and whatever, but like if I've had a long day, then I will come home and just have like put my AirPods in, because it is like 11 o'clock at night by the time I get home, so I don't want to like wake up my neighbors. But I will like put my AirPods in and just like listen to either LMA or Kaylani or like something like, or Yogati, depending on the day. And just kind of like vibe out and just have a good time. Cause I don't know, like it's just something about music that just brings me back there, and like it just brings a smile on my face every time. Like it just, So that's my like joy trigger. Whenever I need like a pick me up, that's what I go to. Ooh, okay. For spiritual self-care, I really do start my day off with a Christian playlist. So I created my own playlist that I enjoy. That's worship music that I can start my day off with. It's free. It's just getting you in the right mindset. And before I share anything with you guys, I do need to like go in and put some more things on there and kind of organize it, because from vibe to vibe. Like, I don't know, like in my head, it's not like organized the way I play it, if that makes sense. So, I just kind of, anywho, so I do that. And then I also participate in some either Instagram channels or Facebook groups of Christian based things where I, like whenever I'm feeling a little like the devil's really trying me, then I just make sure that I reground myself into community. So yeah, those are my tips. So of course, self-care does not have to break the bank, and you can definitely do whatever it is you need to make yourself feel good. I would love to hear what you guys do. And maybe I can include that into my self-care like menu. That would be great. So please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. That would be great.